Good afternoon, guys. Welcome back, boys and girls. We have one puzzle left in this weekend edition. I've already solved one puzzle, the 2-star Sudoku, so one puzzle is left. The binary with 3 stars, and this will be number 9648. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 27 printed digits. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10 by 10 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column. There are always 5 ones and 5 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Let me start with the double ones. Here no, there no. Double ones. Here no, there no. Double ones. Here no, there no. Now the double O's. Double O's here one, there one. 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 Between two ones comes an O. Between two ones comes an O. Between two O's comes an 1. Double O's here one, there one. 1, 2, 3, 4. Double O's here one, there one. Double ones here no, there no. Double O's here one, there one. Double ones here no, there no. Double O's here one, there one. Between two ones comes an O. Between two ones comes an O. Between two O's comes an 1. Between two ones comes an O. Then, now, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I need, between two O's comes an 1. Double O's, here one, there one. Between two ones comes an O. Double ones, here no, there no. Well, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones, so the rest are O's. Well, 1, 2, 3, 4, and I know between a 1 and an O with 2 empty boxes between those O's and O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have first O, second O, third O, fourth O, fifth O. So these two boxes will be on 1. Double ones, here no, there no. Double O's, here one, there one. Come on. Double ones, here no, there no. Between two O's comes in 1. And I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between the O's, an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first one, second one, third one, fourth one, fifth one. That box should be an O. Double O's, here one, there one. Then, let me see. Come on. I know between a 1 and an O with 2 empty boxes between there's always an O and a 1 there. Same for here. Between a 1 and an O with 2 empty boxes between there's always an O and a 1 there. So we have the first O, second O, third O, fourth O, fifth O. So that box should be a 1. Double ones, here no, there no. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, yeah. I need to think. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. I know between a 1 and an O with 2 empty boxes between there's always an O and a 1 there. Same for here. Between an O and a 1, O and a 1. 1. First O, second O, third O, fourth O, fifth O. So that box should be a 1 then. Double ones, here no, there no. Double O's, here one, there one. Double ones, here no, there no. Double ones, here no, there no. Between two O's comes in 1. Double O's, here one, there one. Double ones, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are 1s. Double ones, here no, there no. Between two O's comes in 1. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1. So the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. And I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between there's always an O and a 1 there. So we have the first one, second one, third one, fourth one, fifth O, 1. So that box should be an O. Okay. Then here also an O and a 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm stuck. Oh no. 1, 2, 3. Double ones, here no, there no. Double O's, here one, there one. Double ones, here no, there no. Double O's, here one, there one. Double ones, here no, there no. Double O's, here one, there one. Double ones, here no, there no. Double O's, here one, there one. Between two ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O. So the rest are ones. 1, 2, 3, 4. And this is number 5, the fifth O. Double O's, here one, there one. Double ones, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O. So the rest are ones. Double ones, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O. So the rest are ones. And between the ones comes an O. 5 minutes. Well, slower than the previous binary, but we solve it again. Without comparing, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And yeah, we'll meet again tomorrow on Monday. I cannot promise you for the other 2 puzzles because a part of this newspaper has not been delivered by the paperboy. So if I have the time, I can print it out. But yeah, we will see you on Monday. So have a great time on Sunday. See you then. Bye-bye for now.